What's wrong, dear? Probably.
Alright, head that way.
What's wrong, dear?
One of the hardest things to do as a police officer is either go home on time or maybe even go home early. The video today is the perfect example of why it is so difficult. The officer in this video is trying to go home early. This is in the holidays towards the end of 2021. And of course, while he's on his way back to the sub, he finds a woman having a psychological breakdown laying in the middle of the road. Fortunately for this officer, he was able to call paramedics and another officer for help. He was able to get home on time, and the woman in question was able to get the help that she required. With all that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. I'll talk to you soon.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What's wrong, dear?
Yeah.
What's wrong?
Yeah. Yeah.
What's wrong, dear?
Okay.
Huh? 164 to channel 3.
Please, I can't get there.
164 to channel 3.
I can't get there. I can't.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you over this lady yelling. 1091 West Broad. I'm out with a 16B rolling around in the street. Can you have fire come across? Oh, maybe he sees me. He's gonna send fire's gonna send somebody over too.
No!
What's wrong, dear? Probably.
Alright, head that way.
What's wrong, dear?
Please, come on. Please, don't do that. Melton, don't. Melton, please don't. Please.
Fire's pulling up with me over here, so no 60s or anything. She's going 16B or something.
Please don't. Please. I'm begging you.
What's wrong, babe?
I'm begging
Huh,
you.
dear?
I'm begging you so much.
It's all right.
I can't get to Grand Hospital.
Okay, the paramedics are here. She's around the street. Lady, I thought the lady hit her. I was like, oh God.
I don't care.
But she's like, she just rolling her. She has nothing.
I don't care.
What's wrong, dear?
Please, I beg.
She's on her phone. But
Just come meet me.
what's going on? I was like, someone look out here, please.
Lord Jesus Christ, help me. Jesus.
Next 100, you gotta take this one.
What's your name?
Charmaine.
Charmaine?
Jesus, help me.
190 will be clear.
No, because.
I got everything. Go ahead and send me a
I want to change. Please.
We got the medic coming right here.
Please help me.
We got the medic right here. You gotta tell us what's going on, man. Can you stand up? Can we help you?
No, I'm right. No, I'm right here by the firehouse. They right here.
Who are you talking to?
My husband.
Your husband?
Oh, yes.
Can you hang up with him for a minute?
The firehouse on Broad Street.
She was just rolling around in the street when I was driving by. Someone stopped. I thought they hit her, but she said no, she was rolling around. She said her name's Charmaine. That's all I kind of heard out of it.
I'm talking to you. Huh?
What's wrong with you? I'm like getting ready to leave. I'm like heading back to the sub, and she's rolling around, and I can see a car stop. I'm like, oh God, they just hit her. And then she's like,
so what happens?
she's just laying around on the road. I'm like, oh, all this is out. So
what happens? Bad things happen when you cross 315.
I know, right? I was like, that's what I get for coming over here. Yeah. So we rarely ever take a run that way at 315.
Yeah, who's this? You hurt? Okay, you're not hurt. This is the fire. It's the fire department.
She's like, her whole front's white from rolling around on this new cement.
Who is this?
This is dry.
Yeah. I think they're going to take it, so I'm going to keep going to the side. Side PEL's the last four.
Get out of here then. I'll hang out.
I know. Just running down there, making a lap real quick, and I was like,
That's how it works. Yep.
And I was trying to get up a situation where I wouldn't get hurt. I didn't want to get hurt, so I ran out of her house.
Oh, you guys aren't together?
He said, what?
Where'd she live?
Nowhere. When I was running out of her house, so she would hurt me.
Oh, yeah.
I didn't
You can't flop around Broad Street.
I didn't want her to hurt me, and I tried to get so Mimi. I ran out of her house.
You ran out of the house?
I ran out of her house.
Whose house?
The lady.
What was the address?
I don't know the address, but she ain't there, and that's my chance to leave. She already cut my husband up one time.
Do you have a place you can go that's warm? Do you have a friend's house that you can go
I
that's
don't
warm?
have it. My husband, my friend.
Yeah, he said he doesn't have a car.
I know.
He said you're living in the shelter.
And that's where I'm going. I want to go to the shelter too.
Do you already have a bed at the shelter?
No. He told me.
Where'd you stay last night?
She said, my husband let me go. Wait a minute, let me tell you the whole story.
I don't need the whole story right now. Where did you stay last night?
I stayed at her house when she made me clean up her house.
Where's your shoes at?
I ran out of there and then I think I ran.
What's your name?
Charmaine.
Where do you want to go?
She hung up.
It looks like he's calling you now or something. Here's your phone. You gotta talk to us, not him.
Nelson. You go to the Grand Hospital.
No, where does Nelson live? Where do you
Nelson
live?
live in the shelter.
that?
Go to your solution.
You live in the shelter too?
Give her a ride somewhere if she'll get in the car with me. I don't have a problem giving her a ride, but I don't know where I'm gonna take her. I can take her over to shelter, but they're gonna tell her she's got to get on the list to get a bed and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah, sheltering.
I think so. The overflow. They might give her a overflow for the night, but they might. I guess
Okay, they was talking to me.
as long as she knows
Hey, let's just hang up. Tell him
No.
what
names and what day of the
I
week it
can't
is,
call
and
them
you think
back.
she's good that way.
you guys,
Are you taking?
we're going over the bride.
I got Medicaid. Can
Where
you
you
take
going,
me to the
Brian?
hospital? Can you take me to Grand?
You want to go to Grand Hospital?
Yes,
All right, come on.
I'm going to Grand. Grand.
You want me to follow you down there?
Nope. Too important to the bigger
Grand
picture.
Hospital.
I don't know about that. We'll see you. Take care.